Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. One of the questions we get asked all the time is, how do the 4K dash cams compare, and which one is better? So we've got three 4K dash cams on our website: the BlackVUE DR900S, THINKWARE U1000, and the VIOFO A129 Pro. Given the different price points of these dash cams, is it safe to say that the higher priced cameras reign supreme? Or is the budget-friendly model setting us up for a big surprise? Let's find out! All three models sport an 8 megapixel image sensor, making them true 4K dash cams, capable of recording at 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, as well as 2K QHD at 60 frames per second. As well, all three dash cams support the video encoding technology H.265. 4K files are known to be larger in size, but because H.265 has a higher compression rate than H.264, it can compress 4K videos down to the size of a full HD video file. But do keep in mind that some older screens and viewers may struggle with H.265, whereas H.264 can be played almost in any device. If this is a concern for you, the BlackVUE and VIOFO gives you the option to both H.265 and H.264. The THINKWARE U1000, on the other hand, only supports H.265. Finally, all three dash cams support standard features such as incident-triggered parking mode and time-lapse recording, super night vision, audio recording, Wi-Fi support, and provides you with a free smartphone app. The first difference is the dash cam's overall user friendliness. A great dash cam needs to deliver more than just great video quality. It also has to be useful and easy to use. Typically, the more you spend on a dash cam, the more built-in features you should receive. But that also means a steeper learning curve, as there are now more functions and features you need to learn. If you prefer the comfort of the built-in screen, or if you don't want to use your smartphone or computer, then the VIOFO A129 Pro would be a more appealing unit, as it comes with a 2-inch high-definition screen that lets you change your dashcam camera settings as well as review footage files right from the dashcam. You can get any of the three 4K models as a one-channel or a dual-channel system. But while you can easily upgrade from a one-channel to a two-channel with the VIOFO and THINKWARE, it's not quite as easy with the BlackVUE. You see, the BlackVUE DR900S comes as a one-channel front-only, a two-channel front and back, as well as a two-channel front and interior camera system. But you need to decide which one it is that you want before you make the purchase, because once you've settled for, say, a one-channel variant, there's no way to tag on an additional camera for rear or in-cabin recording. In other words, if you think you might want a two-channel dashcam down the road, you're better off getting the two-channel option now for the BlackVUE DR900. With the THINKWARE U1000, you can always buy the front camera and then tag on the rear camera and radar module as you need. And the same goes for the VIOFO A129 Pro. You can easily expand the functionality of the front camera by adding on a rear camera or an IR camera. Now that we've gone over the cosmetic differences, let's take a look at the differences on the inside of the cameras. To keep it short and simple, bitrate is a measurement of video file size and quality. Generally speaking, the higher the bitrate number, the higher the video quality. Most dashcams have bit rates from 8 to 15 megabits per second. The THINKWARE U1000 front camera bitrate is 28 megabit per second, while the rear camera is 14 megabit per second. On the BlackVUE DR900S's extreme setting, the front camera bitrate is 25 megabit per second, while the rear camera is 10 megabit per second. On the VIOFO A129 Pro Dual's maximum setting, the front camera bitrate is 52.4 megabit per second, while the rear camera is 14.5 megabit per second. As you can see, the VIOFO A129 Pro offers the highest bitrate of the three dashcams, and that's why many customers are saying the video quality is better than that of BlackVUE and THINKWARE. That is true particularly for daytime driving footage only. For nighttime or low light footage, the THINKWARE U1000 is still reportedly better. THINKWARE goes above these standard features and give you the option to use ultra high frequency radar motion detection by way of an optional radar sensor. Pew pew! With the radar, it's possible to extend the U1000's parking mode capabilities for a longer period of time. And if you pair it with a Cell-Link Neo battery pack, you're looking at a parking mode runtime of 170 hours for the U1000. In the same dashcam battery setup, a 2-channel DR900S will run for about 15 hours and a 2-channel A129 Pro for about 15 to 20 hours. That's why THINKWARE is known for its best-in-class parking mode features, and they've really raised the bar again with the THINKWARE U1000. Nowadays, everything is on the cloud. Email, social media, marketplaces, and entertainment are all on the cloud. Being on the cloud is all about storing and sharing information more efficiently, which is something that benefits dashcams. With the cloud, you have access to features like remote view, real-time vehicle tracking, incident push notification, and cloud storage. THINKWARE and BLACKVUE are the only two premium dashcam providers that offer cloud service with their top-tier models. So if staying connected to your car is something important to you, the THINKWARE U1000 or the BlackVUE DR900S would be a better choice for you. You can learn more about cloud dashcams on our website. Some people call it Advanced Driver Assistance System, and then there are some who call it Bad Driver Tech. Either way, it's an electronic system designed to help drivers to be safer on the road. Of the 3 4K dashcams, only the THINKWARE U1000 comes with ADAS. With the ADAS on the U1000, you get front vehicle departure warning, front collision warning, and lane departure warning. The bottom line is, all 3 of these dashcams are great systems. If you're going strictly by video crispness and quality, the A129 Pro might stand out a bit. But if you're looking for an overall best all-round dashcam, the U1000 is still a more solid choice. And that's it, folks. We hope you've enjoyed this 4K dashcam comparison video. If there are any other features that you want us to compare, send us a comment below. And as always, if you have more questions or need more suggestions, you know where to find us. We're always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out to stay up to date with all the latest dashcam news and trends. Thanks for watching.